Hi everyone, my name is Summer. So today I'll be preparing a lab which will get us a connectivity of our F5 Big IP implementation or F5 Big IP deployment for home lab. I have one Big IP F5 and I have three different servers. Today on this lab I'll just show the connectivity between F5 and the virtual network and the three different servers. Okay, so all these things are obviously a part of my virtual network which is within this one single laptop. Okay, so just to go ahead with on the VMware workstation we have three different servers, 1, 2, 3, and TMOS version 16 of F5. Okay, and this TMOS, this device, if you go to settings, it has four different interfaces: VMnet 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and these three servers, they are connected to the network with one single interfaces, each of them. So this is on VMnet 1, and second one is on VMnet 2, and the third one is on VMnet 3. Okay, so these three are there. Now our purposeful job will be to connect the F5 appliance to all those subnet, because F5 has multiple interfaces and it has multiple subnets as well. So we'll go ahead with this. Okay, so from the beginning, let's start from the settings side. We checked it is already running our four interfaces. Okay, so we'll go ahead with the login to this device, root, and the password I am used. Let's see what is the management IP address configured. If config, seems to be all are coming in. If config mgmt 0, so management 0 is 10.1.1.16. so for now it is already configured as a plab. I'll show you how to configure this. On the command line we need to go ahead and type in config. So it will give us the prompt to assign new IP address. It is asking the utility to add an IP address netmask default route. You must add an IP address netmask for the management port before you can use the web-based setup utility. So we need to assign the management IP address. I'll highlight the OK and press enter. Now it is saying select the management IP family. Do you want to configure IPv4 or do you want to configure IPv6? I'll go for IPv4. You can switch between the IPv4 and IPv6 or any selected item using tab on your key button. Now I have selected IPv4. I'll press enter. It says use the automatic IP configuration address. Give it a question mark. Right? I'll say no, I don't want to go for automatic. I will use my manual configuration. So I'll highlight no and press enter. Now it is giving me an opportunity to change this IP address. Okay, so I'll use the IP address 10.1.1.111. Okay, now subnet mask I'll keep it as same /24, tab OK. Now it's asking me, do you want to configure an management gateway? I'll say yes, I want to configure management gateway IP address, obviously 10.1.1.1, because it is in the same subnet of my management IP. Okay, and then finally I was asking, do you want to go ahead and accept this configuration? And it is showing my IP address is 10.1.1.111 and network mask is 255.255.255.0. Default route is 10.1.1.1. Press yes. It will take few seconds and it will save this configuration in the management plan of Big IP. Once this is up, we will see the command line on the downstream. It has came up. We can press few enters, and again you can type if config mgmt 0 to verify the management interface IP address. So now management interface, we can see this has come up with 10.1.1.111. Okay, Now just for communication purpose, we will try to ping its gateway. So we'll type ping 10.1.1.111. Is its self IP address. It is able to ping 10.1.1.1, the management gateway IP address. It is able to ping. So for now we are able to configure management interface with our static IP address, and we can reach the gateway of the management interface. I will follow up this video with the next one to access the same one. So I'll say please keep on following my other videos. Thank you.